What's good, family? I'm back with another banger. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make dirty rice. Very easy, very simple, very quick. It's a 45-minute meal at the most, you know what I mean? And we going in with it in the pressure cooker. Easy, peasy, you know what I mean? How I like it. Let's go. I'm going in with the ground beef. I will go hit it with some ground pork. Paper off, you know, you gotta get that paper off. We don't want to be eating no paper, you know what I mean? We ain't no billy goats. Yeah, we're going in with the spices, 14 spices. It's one of my favorite seasons here, you know what I mean? Got 14 spices in one. Going in with slap your mama. Yeah, we go slap your mama, cause it's fire. The onion powder. The Larry's, gotta be light on the Larry's. Make sure you light on that. Going in with the peppers. Going in with the celery. I'm gonna go hit it with the onion. You know what I mean? Cook it down a little bit. Like I say, very easy. Going in with the W sauce. But as y'all can see, man, my wife, she got me a new little pot set. You know what I mean? And I'm loving it. Real. Now we're going in. I done clean my rice. We're going in with the rice. Going in with the meat. Going in with my chicken stock. 4 cups of chicken stock. There we go. Get a stir. Cover it up, you know what I mean? Seal it up. Now we're going 10 minutes on high. 10 minutes on high, that's all you need. Boom. This is it. Look at that. This is what you want. This is what you want it to look like right here. Fire. It ain't dried out. It ain't too wet. Like I like it. And the rice still got its texture. It ain't mushy. That's why I love that pressure cooker, man. Cook that rice right. And here we go. Plate it up. I got me some fried chicken and some biscuits. You know what I mean? Fried chicken and biscuits. But this is it. It sure was tasty. But easy meal. Quick and easy. Your kids go love it. Your family go love it, you know what I mean? You ain't all day with no stove. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. But yeah, I'm out. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bless and love.